Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making a quick backup so you can experiment safely. Once backed up, reboot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. If random restarts stop, an app is the culprit. Next, go to Settings, right arrow apps and uninstall the most recent installs or those with unstable battery or permissions. Clear their cache and data. These immediate steps remove the common causes without system resets, and they tell you whether software or deeper system problems remain. Once done with app isolation, move into deeper system checks. Make sure MIUI and all apps are fully updated because patches often fix stability bugs. Reset app preferences to restore default permissions and background activity rules, then audit battery optimization. Overly aggressive restrictions can force reboots. If problems persist, boot to recovery and clear the system cache partition to remove corrupted temp files. These steps address system-level conflicts. That you're at the finish line. If prior steps failed, perform a factory reset from settings after confirming your backup. This returns software to a known good state. Reinstall apps one at a time and monitor the device for 24 to 48 hours to identify any offender. If random restarts continue, capture diagnostic logs using a DB logcat or boot into recovery and consider flashing stock ROM. These actions provide evidence for service centers or let you restore clean firmware. Quick tip: always test in safe mode first to narrow down causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.